Wow, sarap na sa'yo, be.
Process of being dry for 6 to 8
Vanessa Cristo.
We take over.
Facilities that were declared war inside, and all of them belong to Mormons. That is a very exuberant style that the group adopted. That should invite the village to play. And the second is to be the foliage where leaves of this mystic forest that is decorated with items related to the and from all we can progress in the state that represents the presence of Jesus Christ in the church. The round structures represent the columns. You have already seen the 4 thickest columns.
Star ng pinakamagaling.
I must believe.
Grabe yung mga kasama kong artista, oh. Oh.
Tama ba yung paa?
Hindi, banato mo na pre. Saan kayo pre?
Pe, saan punta?
Natin, Juliet, ito tinetesting natin. Pero parang, mukha ko ba yun? Parang mukhang pagod.
Hindi nakaka-pretty.
Hindi nakaka-pretty yung camera.
Yung mukha mo daw.
Delete to, delete. Juliet, hindi pwede to sa anak mo.
Yan. Hi, Juliet!
Wala mo, oh, kitang-kita yung eye bag.
Nagkukulang sa pakikipag-usap mo ano.
Ako yung binabalikan niya ako, so okay yung bet.
Tako na tako ka naman. Tanong ko kung mauwi.
Lasang-lasang yung kape, lasang-lasang mo.
Oo, may coconut.
Oo nga, bakit tayo magyabang? Yung sabaw.
Kasi may coconut. Chat naman.
What did you get, JB?
Gago, kala ko.
Wow, sarap na sa'yo, be. Parang mas masarap ka.
Mas masarap yung
Vloggers. Alright.
Hi everyone from Canada and from USA. Please do follow our YouTube account. It's JENHARVY. If you don't follow it, fuck you.
Pero sa vlog niya, hindi ko mga ganun.
Ay, di ka ba na ganun?
Surprise! Hoy! Grabe na to, guys.
Surpresa!
Hindi ko na nga dinala yung ano, yung mini stick, selfie stick.
Ay, okay lang. Gwapo naman yung kasalubong.
Anong what can you say? Video ba yan? Grabe yung inakyat natin, ha. Hindi biro.
Vlogger.
Guys. I-vlog natin.
This is the real you.
Grabe yung dinaan niya kanina, yun talaga yung way niya paakyat. So, hi kayo guys, follow niyo siya.
Ay, wala akong vlog, pero
Kailangan niya ng pang ano,
pambili
pambayad
ng...
ng flights. Because next year guys, we will be going to the Philippines.
Wala. Huwag ka masyadong magsalita ng tapos. Wala pa.
Actually, yeah, I agree with you. This is the worst entry.
Another one that is really next to the bus station. So you took the
We took the wrong way. You're insured, right? Okay.
Of course he is.
Uy, tingin!
ko. Oh, grabe yun.
Ilalagay ko lang ito sa lapag. May banay.
Sagda. Or yung Sagrada Familia. So dito siya kilala. Parang ano, no? Yung dwarf houses, yung eksena niya.
Yeah, so
Well,
where are we going, guys? Central.
DJ ko.
So yun naman siya.
Documentation.
Tignan niyo mas city map.
Happy D?
Hindi ko na alam kasunod na. Tapid din nila ito. Viral Champo. Tuwid hase derecho.
Ay, sabihin. No hablo español. Porque contigo? Yo escogí.
Ang dami ko
Ta supre. Bien simple lang.
Iyo tapid.
Ginawa
Bago ba din ginawa yung chorus?
May 116 naman dito.
May warranty naman ata yung Gore-Tex na yan eh.
Di ba sapatos yun ng Adidas, Gore-Tex?
Oh, actually. Yun talaga yung nilalagay.
Adidas.
Okay.
Binilaban
Hindi
mo
pala
kasi
pwede yung orange ko bukas ba kasi Doc Martens din yung kapares nun.
Ba't kasi nalaban mo yung aesthetic mo ngayon?
Kasi nga diba,
Alam mong aakit tayo ng gabundok.
style before comfort. Kasi nung napanood ko yung movie, naka-reverse. Instead na comfort before style. Style before comfort.
Go, naka-green friend.
Go na.
Pag nalaglag ka talaga sa...
Pat! Pat! Wait! Wait! Pat!
Okay, yeah. There we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. It's not going.
Oh, it's alright. We all look sunburned.
But the best one yung nagulat ka. Yeah, boo.
Oh, guys, ready na kayo? Wow!
Go, bitches.
Wow, that was big, man. Even your hairstyle.
Fresh! OOTD! Nababaliw na yung kasama.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to our vlog. Oy, bisa mo na, oy.
Hindi pa tayo alas,
Alis na, oh. Wala siyang tali.
Wala siyang ano. Walang
Wala siyang tali, be. Hello ka, girl. Hello ka, girl. Hi, doggies. OOTD muna kayo, guys. Ano yung outfit check? Ano yung ano mo, be? Explain mo naman sa amin yung outfit.
Pininturahan
This one is like a denim short from Sawadee Cat, Thailand.
So, wala ka Thailand. Saan galing yung sapatos mo?
Puma from
OOTD, outfit check. Ikaw na, be.
In the way, Pat.
Pak! Kami mga nakachinelas lang kami, guys, oh.
1, 2, 3, smile. Si Pat talaga.
Sorry, guys.
We'll wait until we reach the central.
Magiging ano kami, cooking ina. For today's
Cooking titas.
video. Yeah.
Kami kinawa.
Oh my gosh, babe! Ang ganda ng pula-pula. Picturean mo nga ako dyan. Wala na tayong oras, please.
Mamaya, pagbalik natin, may araw. May araw naman.
Ang ganda! Marilyn Monroe, guys! Marilyn, hi!
And we were late again. But we're gonna go to La Bucana. Pero dapat hindi ako maganda ko. Kahit wala kang muscle. Maganda to.
You ready?
Ready, Freddy?
Is it usually this busy?
It's actually pretty busy today, so yeah. I haven't seen this in a while. I guess it must be because it's weekend.
Bella po! Oh my God!
Alright guys, so we're all here. Okay. So this is our fishmonger, alright? So why do we come here? We come here because they sell local and wild fish, and they also are a very good friend of ours, so yeah, that's why we come here actually. Since we got the fat parts covered, we're gonna go with the sweet parts, okay guys? Let me show you the red prawns.
Hello po!
Alright, so this is the prawn that we're using today, guys, and some of you might, but also more expensive, alright? So keep that in mind, alright? These big guys over here, okay? These are mussels, and they come from Galicia, right? In the northwest of Spain. And you guys are lucky, I'm telling you, because like mussels, we are in the season of them right now, so they're gonna be really good.
Hello! Hi! Welcome to Molana!
Hola!
Cheers.
We take over. Better. Now, I need you guys, one of you please help me stir over here. And another one to watch out for pigs that are not chemical process over here that we're going to see. It's called the Maillard reaction. Maillard was a French chemist, and what he says is that fat, when it's exposed to enough heat, it turns into sugar, and sugar turns into caramel. If you expose it to enough heat, it starts caramelizing. So, if you're watching over here, in the edges of our pan, we're going to see like a layer of sticky brown
Is it okay to take
caramel.
video?
That's the sugars caramelized. Find out if someone is in there. It closed. You saw? I know it didn't. No, this one is definitely not. No, it's my finger actually. So they have to be shut like this, completely shut. Okay? Pesto is peso. But this is actually a verb. It's an action to pestare, and that's like any herb with garlic and olive oil blended. That's a pesto made out of parsley. Wala talaga.
Okay, stop it. Put it there, Ben.
Malapit na kami maluto.
Alright, so it's difficult to get the soga when you're working with induction kitchen because the flame is what does the soga to form, no? So over here also,
Parang ang lungkot naman ng sa inyo.
infuse a little bit of
Bakit
saffron.
yun yung sa English?
Stop it.
Ayun ba yung sa amin?
Oo.
Ano ba? Sige kita
You're
kikinig.
vegetarian, eh.
So these are the pistils of the flowers, no? Every flower has 3 pistils, and it's not possible to make it. It's not a mechanical movement, so it needs to be done by a human. You know, not a machine. So they.
Us too.
Ito ba?
Here.
So, paella.
Stay like that.
Paella.
Amazing.
Ay! What a view!
Sana manginig ka.
Paano yung inig ba? Parang sumakit na yung buong katawan ko dun sa sa tulog na yun. Bakit
Paano
ganun?
ka ba naman?
Kim siya! Ang bangis niya.
Wrong direction.
Monastery.
Tanga-tanga.
Pinakamagandang cellphone.
Okay. Then I'll edit that.
Umalis si Pat.
First try yan.
Umalis si Pat.
Ano tsura? Ano tsura? Ano pala yan?
Umalis si Pat.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and... That's okay. Cutting to bed.
Parang sabay-sabay tayong kumain.
Bakit may ganyan, be?
Uy! Kinikilig ako. Ano yan?
Fruit din, be, oh. Maybe we can share. Listen ko. Sabi po niya, be, ang kalahati kalaban ni Jesus Cristo?
O, sino yung alam mo?
Sinigaw.
Blasphemy kayo ba yan?
Hindi, siya nagsabi nun. Sabi niya, tama ba yun eh?
Sino yung kalaban ni Jesus Cristo?
Nalap kita.
Sumakit yung ulo ko sa'yo.
Bumalik ulit, no?